We've just acquired this absolutely gorgeous BMW M5, huge specification. It's in Silverstone 2 metallic, absolutely gorgeous colour, unmarked alloy wheels, absolutely immaculate with the blue calipers. It's got the electric tilt-side sunroof. Rear park distance control, quad exhausts, boot area is immaculate. It's been really well looked after. Full leather seats, climate control in the rear, electric windows, mirrors, memory seats, electric seats, heated seats, sunroof. Low mileage, 44,500 exactly on the clock at the moment. Full media pack, satellite navigation, park distance control, Bluetooth, service history on board the car. There's some invoices as well for it. You see, service requirements nil, all okay, 2110. And service history breakdown is all there as well. Paddle shift on the gearbox. Sounds beautiful. The DJH offers full dealer facilities, including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07 503 751 005. Thank you.